what I'm going to show you in this video is the fastest way to get to $10,000 a month this year and every year after. How do I know that? Because I've done it multiple times in multiple niches. Yes, I'm talking about digital products. If you are somebody that want to sell digital products on a completely different level, or if you sell digital products right now and you just want to elevate your income, this is definitely the video for you. If you look at the screenshot right here, it's $76,000. This money was made in 70 days. If you look at this screenshot right here, it's $911,000. This right here was made in a short amount of time as well. Where does this come from? This comes from passive income stores is what I like to call them. This is something that a lot of people don't have access to. I'm one of very few that actually do have access to it, and that's exactly why I wanted to speak on it. Not only have I made a lot of money with a passive income store, but clients of mine have also made a ton of money as well. So you may be asking yourself, what is a passive income store? A passive income store is a niche targeted store that sells private label right digital products all in the passive income niche. So imagine having hundreds and hundreds of products within a store where people can come and they can purchase from you and learn about passive income. Well, that's why this is so powerful, because who doesn't want to make passive income? Let's be real. Every time you turn around on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or wherever, people are talking about how to make passive income. So imagine having a value-packed store loaded with hundreds of these products and promoting that store. So that's exactly what I personally do, as well as my clients. So what I'm going to do right here is show you in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how one of these passive income stores look. Now, if you are somebody already making $20,000, $30,000 a month, you may not want to watch this video. You can, but you may not want to watch it. This is for those who want to get to $10,000 a month and beyond. So let me go ahead and dive in right now to show you exactly what a passive income store looks like. Okay, so here we go. This is one of the passive income stores that I'm talking about. This is what you need if you are somebody that wants to get to, let's say, the $10,000 a month level within 45 days. Now, this is not something that you're going to hit $10,000 a month in 2 weeks. I mean, anything is possible, but that's not what I'm telling you here. I'm telling you that if you have a passive income store like this, then you can legit hit $10,000 a month in 45 days or less. And I know that because I've seen it multiple times and I've done it multiple times myself, using very simple strategies that I'm about to go over right here in this video. So let's scroll down and let me show you what I'm talking about. So every single product that you see right here is focused on the passive income niche. As you can see, how to start a vending machine business. Very, very hot selling product. The business credit guide, very hot selling product. $27 right there, $25 right there. Financial planner, $7 right there. So then we scroll down right here and we got one of the hottest sellers ever right here. How to start selling digital products. That's a $17 product. Let's keep going down. We got $8 product, $25. 10K in 90 days. We got a $25 product right here. Every single one of these products right here are focused on how to make passive income. Whenever you got a website like this, understand that people want to learn how to make passive income, and you can be the person that teaches them. So if you're somebody that want to hit the 10K in, let's say, 45 days or even 60 days max, a website like this is going to give you a big head start because you are only talking to one avatar. You're speaking to one avatar. You're speaking to people who want to make passive income, or you may be talking to somebody that just want a couple extra dollars made on the side. And imagine them going to your website, whatever the name of your site will be. Imagine them going to your website and saying, okay, I want to learn how to make 10K in 90 days, or I want 5 ways to build a successful side hustle. I'll pay $8 for this. Okay, then you may have somebody else to come and say, I want to learn the vending machine business. I want to learn about business credit. Every one of these people would be your customer. So if you have 4 people a day purchasing this vending machine business ebook right here, that's $100 a day and $3,000 a month right there. So all you have to do is go to X, or you can go to Threads, or you can go right here on YouTube of people in the comments, or even Instagram, of people in the comments talking about the vending business and asking questions about it. Well, this one ebook right here will answer all of their questions. That's why this is so powerful. How to start selling digital products. Go to Threads right now, or go to TikTok. I challenge you to go to either one of them and just type in digital products and look at the thousands of saves that videos that post about selling digital products. Just look at the thousands of saves and the thousands of comments. that you will see from hungry people, hungry for information. These are your customers for an entire website like this. But then you can say, okay, once you come here, whatever you want, whatever you need in the passive income space, I don't care if you want a side hustle or I don't care if you want to quit your job. I have an ebook for you. That's why this is so powerful. So let's scroll down right here. Check out this personal finance ebook right here for $199. Just think about it. With a product like this, 2 sales a day is about $12,000 a month. That's why this is so powerful. $12,000 a month, I said, with just 2 sales a day. So let's scroll down and look at some more. Here go another one. Side hustle success. Those who are looking for side hustles, you have millions upon millions upon millions of people that are looking for a side hustle. This is a $50 ebook right here. So if you have a website like this and you're selling $50 ebooks, 3 sales a day is about $4,500 a month. So you just have to ask yourself, do I like my current situation, or do I want a site like this, or start a site like this from scratch and really start crushing it online? So you just have to ask yourself that. And if it were me and I were just starting out, or if I was working a 9-to-5 job and struggling, there's not even a second conversation that we have to have, or a second video that I would have to watch. The moment I would see something like this, I would hit the ground running. But you may be a person who drag your feet to start something like this. But I'm just talking to those who are not wanting to drag their feet, but those who are wanting to hit the ground running and hit 10K a month and beyond. So a site like this, again, is speaking to one group of people, and those are people who want to simply make money. I don't care if it's passive income. I don't care if it's extra income. It can be building an empire, whatever. Every single ebook and product on this page is focused on this one topic. This is another one, passive income with vending machines, another vending machine ebook right here. Let's keep going down. We got online profit systems, $14.99. We got Think Like a Boss, $17.99. There's all types of products right here that you can get your hands on. So you may be asking yourself, Brandon, how can I get one of these sites, and what is my true earning potential? So let me tell you the true earning potential of what you see right here. How you can get one of these sites. You can click the link in the description of this video and gain access to a site just like this. Once you purchase a site like this, you are ready to go day one. The site will already be built for you. Not only can you promote your site like this and promote each individual products, you can also gain resale rights to resell as an affiliate, that is. You can resell this entire package right here and make an affiliate commission as well. So imagine purchasing a site like this and you're able to sell every one of these products, and you can also, like I'm doing to you, I'm selling you a product right here in this video. You can also sell it to others, and you can make a 50% commission for every sale. So that's 2 streams of income with one purchase. That's why this is so powerful right here. If you're somebody that's thinking in your head, oh gosh, Brandon just made a sales video, he's trying to sell us something. I'm trying to sell you something that could potentially change your life. This is only for those that know an opportunity when they see one, and that's why I wanted to make this video right here. I could easily keep stuff like this behind the scenes and keep promoting websites like this and making tens of thousands of dollars a week. I'm giving you the opportunity to join my army of affiliates and become one of the people that's making $10,000 a month and beyond. But again, you can remain blind, you can remain stuck, you can remain in your 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life. I honestly don't care. But what I do care about is helping you rise up. If you're somebody that want to rise up, I'm going to show you the way like I'm doing right here. But if you're somebody that want to stay the same, again, click off of this video. It's definitely not for you. So whenever you do go ahead and gain access to your passive income store as well as your affiliate portal, you will get Facebook ads training, and you will also get access to our private group. We got a private community as well. So the top 3 ways to promote this are these 3 ways right here. The number 1 way to promote it is Facebook meme ads. This is how I generate probably 75% of the sales with this store right here. Facebook meme ads targeting those who want to make money online. The second way is Instagram organic using faceless reels. Again, whenever you purchase this, you will gain access to all of this information right here. You will gain access to Reels templates. You will gain access to Facebook ads training. And I'm even thinking about throwing some Pinterest ads training in there as well. But these are the main 3 ways right here where sales are being generated. I say it's about 75, probably 20 right here, and probably about 5% as far as the sales, where the sales are coming from. But 75% of the sales are coming from Facebook meme ads, and it is extremely powerful. So the moment you grab access to your passive income store, and you immediately get access to Faceless Reels as well to promote via Instagram Reels. Like, imagine not showing your face and generating sales throughout your store, and also referring others to purchase a store and making 50% every time that happens. So again, 2 streams from 3 different directions right here as far as traffic. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to know how powerful this is. You've seen the proof, you've seen the power, you know what's going on, and you know exactly the mission that I'm on. I'm on a mission to help you skyrocket your income from 0 to 10K, from 10K to 20K, or 20K and beyond. I'm on this mission to your very own passive income store, just like the one that you just seen. Click on a link in the description of this video to go ahead and get started.